Thousands of years ago, humans had no permanent home. They kept moving. They followed animals. They searched for water. They slept beneath the open sky. There were no streets, no walls, no doors. So how did we end up living inside giant cities? Around 12,000 years ago, something changed. Some humans stopped moving. They planted seeds. They raised animals. They built the first homes. In the Fertile Crescent, the first farming villages appeared. Slowly, those villages grew. Little by little, they became cities. But why? Why did humans give up freedom? Hunting provided food. Traveling was normal. So what changed? Researcher Jared Diamond argues that agriculture changed everything. For the first time, humans could store food. Grain could last for months, sometimes for years. And that changed human history. When food becomes reliable, populations grow. When populations grow, problems appear. Who owns the land? Who protects the food? Who distributes resources? This is how authority appeared. Then laws appeared. Then cities appeared. About 9,000 years ago, thousands of people lived in a place called Çatalhöyük. There were no streets. People entered houses through the roofs. Homes were built side by side. But cities offered something new: safety, trade, cooperation. Was it worth the cost? Inside cities, diseases spread quickly. Crowded spaces allowed bacteria to move easily. Animals lived beside humans. New epidemics appeared. Work also became harder. Farmers worked long hours. People became tied to the land, yet cities continued to grow. Temples appeared. Markets appeared. Armies appeared. Then civilizations emerged. Egypt, Mesopotamia, China, Rome. All of them began as small settlements. Today, more than half of humanity lives in cities. Some cities contain more than 20 million people. The lights never go out. The streets never sleep. But our brains did not evolve inside cities. They evolved in nature. Among trees, beside rivers, under open skies. Perhaps that is why many people feel calm in nature. Why do we search for parks? Why do we climb mountains? Why do we sit beside the sea? Humans built cities, but part of the human mind still lives in the ancient wilderness. The city is not where humanity was born. It is humanity's greatest invention. And the next time you look at a skyscraper, remember one thing: thousands of years ago, your ancestors slept beneath the stars.